So let's download and install Keeps OS, which is the best operating system for anonymity. So just visit this website, which is the official website of Keeps OS. Download this ISO, and this is a very long file. So make sure you download this, and after that, so go to the directory that you downloaded. So where is the? As you can see, I already downloaded Keeps OS. So let's try to install this Keeps OS on our VirtualBox. So first type new Keeps OS and then select Linux. So Keeps OS is based on Fedora. So make sure you select Fedora. It won't be selected as default. So make sure you use Fedora as 64-bit. Then click next. Use at 2 GB RAM. Then select as default BDI, dynamically create, and then give it a 10 GB space. So less than just create. So what you have to do now is you have to set up something, so which is like enable EFI. Click this, give that a 2 processor, and then give that a video memory of 128 MB. Enable extended feature. So make sure you, so then network, make sure you select as Breeze network if you are using a wireless network like me. Then select the file that you downloaded, which is the ISO file. So choose a disk file, go to and select the Keeps OS, press OK, and then you are done. And Keeps OS is a very long process to install, so it will take some time. So just press enter, and it will take some time, so let's just pause. Okay, now click continue. Then you have to partition your hard disks. So let's just untick this and then done. As you can see, you just click begin install, set a root password. The password. Okay, then select your username. Okay, we don't need password, so let's just done. Okay, it will take some time to install, so let's just pause. So it took around 15 minutes, then after that it will ask you to reboot. So after rebooting the Keeps OS, this page will load up. So just click in here and click set as all default. You don't need to change anything, just set default. So as you can see, it's a long process. So it took you like half an hour to complete the all installation process. So be patient and follow those steps like mine. So it will also take some time. So let's just pause again. So we are done with configuring the initial setup. So let's just finish the configuration, and then you can just simply use the Keeps OS, which is considered the best operating system for anonymity. As you can see, we logged into this Keeps OS and you are good to go.